Hello, I'm Yongwit Siran, the project manager responsible for the machine at a stone crushing plant called Kitiwadi Silapanit Limited, Nam Yuen District. Currently, I'm using a JCB machine, the 215 NXT Fuel Master at the mining site. In general operation, the hydraulic system has not presented any issues. It is quite flexible, and the undercarriage feels stable and solid. As for fuel consumption, we have recorded a consumption average of around 12 litres per hour, which compared to machines we previously used is considered fuel efficient. Regarding the design of the JCB 215 NXT Fuel Master, the operator's cabin is modern, spacious, and comfortable for the driver. This is based on actual usage experience